wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down.
Hello and welcome back again. So today I am back with another video. So this is my second keyboard. My first keyboard was Keychron K10. I used around 3 years that one, but now I lost that keyboard, so I buy another one. This one mid-range, so I buy around $80 with EMI. So this one is small keyboard, not full size. So let's do an unboxing. So first you can see the package. They really did good at packaging, so you can buy from local shop or online. So let's try to cut this one first. This may be shipped from China because AJAZZ is I think Chinese brand, but they are making good keyboard with a cheap price. My last keyboard was Keychron, but they are a premium keyboard with full size, that one, but I like that one. But now I want to try another brand, so I buy AJAZZ keyboard. This one model 870 plus. So this is my bill, as you can see. So this keyboard have a 3-way connector, Bluetooth, USB and cable. So this one plastic keyboard, so you can carry, it will be less weight. So that's the main reason for me to buy this keyboard. And also you can use it with Mac and Windows, both device, but you don't have any separate keycap for Mac, so you can buy the separate keycap from AliExpress or another site for cheap. But I recommend you buy the keycap if you are using Mac, because this one attached with Windows setup. As you can see, this keyboard they give some extra keycap and also the key puller and user manual and one cable. This cable is like normal cable, not good quality, but it's okay. This one user manual and warranty card. I think they have around 6-month warranty for this one. Here you can see the keyboard with one keyboard cover, plastic, this one plastic. So let's see the sound. As you can see, it's a great sound. So how was the typing experience? For me as a beginner typer, I think I got average 50 watt per minute. So because I'm beginner, so I'm still learning, so still I got 50 watt per minute. So this one is really good for typing. So let's do a typing test with this AJAZZ keyboard. Let's try how can I get good score, as I'm beginner, and also check the sound. So let's try 1-minute test. So let's try another time. I got 45. So now I think it's 45 around. So yeah, this is the keyboard that I am now using from this day. So hope I will get better experience because my last keyboard was very good. If you want to buy, you can check their official website or your local store. So I'll link down that one also. So yeah, this that's for this video. So see you in the next video.